Hello everyone, this is Indralal Shrestha. So today I'm going to show how our HRM system works. We have designed a Figma prototype on it. So let's start here. So this is our landing page of our HRM system. So on the landing page you can see different information about the HRM system and its features like employee records, leave management, payroll and performances. So you can do all of these from our system. So if you want to log in to the HRM system, you can click on here. You will see the different login access like admin, manager or employee. For now I'm going to log in as an admin, so let's click on the admin section. So you will see the admin login panel. Here you can write username and password so that you can enter to the login admin dashboard. So let's say I have already write something username and password here. Let's say I have already written something username and password here, so I'm going to log in from here. Yes, this is our admin dashboard. You can see the information like the employees rosters and pending on this section, while these all sections are our features on the SRM system. As an admin you can have all the access like employee management, roster management, document management, action and logout. These features you can do as an admin. So if you want to add a user, so you can click on the add user button. So it will take you to this form. Here in this form you can write full name, email address, role and password for the new user. For the role you can select here and then select one of these things what the new employee is hiring as. So let's talk about the feature of this another features of this HRM system. Here in the employee management section, as an admin you can do the add employee and employee list. So here we have the two options. If you click on the add employee section, you can write and register new employees. So here you have different information like name, username, ID, email address, position and joining date. By just writing all this information you can register the new employees from this section. Let's talk about the another feature of the employee management. As an admin you can see the employee list from the employee management section. If you click on the employee list you can see all the employees here and its details like the employee's name, position, department, status, joining date and everything else here. So let's talk about the roster management section. If you click on here it will show all the rosters of the employees. As an admin you can add the employee roster here from this section. Also you can see all the rosters of the employees like morning, afternoon, night, day, off or on from this section. So let's talk about the document section. In the document section you can do the management of the different documents of the employees. Here if you click on here you will see payslip and other document feature. As an admin you can see the payslip from this section. So this is our payslip management section. So you can see all the payslip and how many months they have been working here as an individual employee on this board. Also as an admin you can put some new payslip on the employees in their own section. So let's go to the other document part. If you click on the other document part you will see the different other documents like employee handbook, employment contract, ID verification, and code of conduct. These all are the other necessary documents for a company. So let's talk about the another feature. This is action. So as an admin, you can do the warning and exit clearance processes. So these things are can be done through this action process. So let's click on here action. Yes, if you do the action, click on action, it will show warning and exit clearance. For the warning, you can click on here. You can see list of the employees that they have been warning already. So these all are the employees who did the warning. So these two are on the active warning, means they are currently doing the warning. So while this red means already solved this one. So moreover, if you want to do the warning to the employees again, new warning, you can search on the here warning, and then you can give the warning to him or her. So let's talk about the another feature, exit clearance. If you click on the exit clearance, you can see this information. Exit clearance means if somebody has left the company, so did he return back all the equipment, and did he do the final settlement, exit interview or not. So these all confirmation can be done through this section. You can see all this information from this section. From this completed section, you can see which employee has completed the return and clearance. So this Michael Brown, let's say this is an employee who has already been left the company, he has written everything else. So this notes all clearance procedure completed successfully, this kind of note have been given to him. So initiate clearance means you can start the clearance process to the employee who has started his leaving to the company. So that's all we have. So these all are the features of our HRM system. You can have it by doing login as an admin. So if you go click on the logout section, you will see the landing page. Now you can do the login as an manager and employee section. These features you can do by here, and then click on here, and that's all.
Hi, good morning everyone. I am Akash Kumar Ronier and I'm here to present the prototype of HRM web app. In this icon, if I press here, then we'll get three users, admin, manager and employee. I'm going to present a manager dashboard site. Okay, this is a manager login page. If I enter the username and the password, then it will lead me to a manager dashboard where I can see various functionality like employee management, roster management, reports, actions and logout. Each is functional. If I press on employee management, then it will lead me to employee list dashboard where I can update and delete the employee, all the details and requirements. If I go to roster management, then the roster management I can see the roasted number of employee that is being roasted in afternoon or the evening shifts, and I can add employee to a roster as well, and I can delete from roster as well. If I go to report sections, then there are two sections, attendance report and the leave report. Attendance report will lead me to attendance dashboard where I can see total number of present of employee on that day and total number of absence and how many are on the leave on that day. And I can see employee detail and everything. Moreover, I also can see a leave report where there will be a total number of leave approved, pending leaves, and rejected leaves that is on HRM web app. If I go to actions functionality, I can see complaints and leave request functions where in a complaint dashboard we can see employee complaint dashboard where there will be a total number of complaint, resolves and pending. And in leave request, it will lead us to our leave request dashboard. Basically, it will give us idea about number of approval and number of as a rejection of the leaves as well. When I press in login button, it will lead us to landing page of HRM web app where I need to log in by pressing a manager, admin or employee again. Alright, thank you.
Hello guys, this is me Prakash and today I'm gonna show about the prototype of our final project website, that is HRM system app. Basically our web app has three user and they are admin, manager and employee. Two of my friend has like shown about the admin and manager part, and today I'm gonna show about the employee part. And this is our landing page, and similarly this is what comes when I click on the employee login. Once you click on the employee login, you have to type your email and password and simply go to the login, and it should get me to the employee dashboard. As you can see, this is employee dashboard. Employee dashboard has got roster, shift, document, action and logout button. Now I'm gonna show you through the each button of those employee dashboard. Similarly, when I click on the me, it will show about me, like how many total leave I have, like used leave and remaining leave. Similarly, calendar and upcoming holidays, upcoming birthday of my colleagues and all. Similarly, I can also edit my profile from here. And similarly, when I click on the roster and shift, it shows me my roster for the week and week after. As you can see, I'm on the roster this Monday from 9 p.m. to 6 p.m. Similarly, when I click on the document, it comes with two pop-up button. These are payslip and other document. When I click on the payslip, it shows my payslip from last like 5-6 week. And similarly, I would be uh, downloading my payslip from this website. So similarly, when I click on the document, it shows the company policy document, contract document and passport, where I can download those company policy document, contract document whenever I need them. And similarly, there is also an action button where again this comes with the two sub button. There are labor request and complaint. When I click on request, it shows me the annual leave or what kind of leave you are trying to get, and start date and end date, and about short note about the like your leave. And similarly, from this you can be getting your leave request to further. Similarly, employee can also complain about the issue happening the on the company, like what is the subject of the complaint and date. Similarly, about note what's actual happening, and you can click on submit button, and it will show your complaint history with ID, subject, detail, date and status. That's all. And I also have got one log out button from where I can log out as an employee. That's it. Thank you.